Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Ubuntu 25.04. First of all, I am going to download Ubuntu 25.04. Go to web browser. I am using Microsoft Edge. You can use any web browser. Go to Google website. Press enter. Type here in Google search. Download Ubuntu. Press enter. Click on first link. Download Ubuntu desktop. Click accept all and visit site. Let's scroll down. Here it is Ubuntu 25.04. Download Intel or AMD 64-bit architecture. Click on download. Now the downloading is started. Ubuntu ISO image setup file size is 5.8 GB. It will take some time to download. It depends on your internet speed. You will have to wait until the downloading is completed. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Go to File Explorer. Click Downloads. Here it is our Ubuntu 25.04 setup file. Now I am going to install Ubuntu 25.04 on VMware. Go to Windows search bar. Type VMware. Click Open. Now create a new virtual machine. Click File. Click New Virtual Machine. Click Next. Click Next. Choose Linux. Select version. Choose Ubuntu 64-bit. Click Next. I am changed the following location. Click Browse. Make new folder. I am given it name UB25. Click OK. Click Next. Hard disk size default is 20 GB. I have increased 20 to 40 GB. Click Next. Click on Customize Hardware. Select New CD/DVD. Click Use ISO image file. Click Browse. Provide an ISO path. Click Open. Click Close. Click Finish. Now I am going to install Ubuntu 25.04. Click Power on this virtual machine. Click Full Screen. Try or install Ubuntu. Press Enter. Stretch screen. Choose your language. Default is English. I am OK with it. Click Next. Accessibility in Ubuntu. Click Next. Select your keyboard layout. Click Next. Connect to the Internet. Click Next. Install Ubuntu. Click Next. Interactive installation. Click Next. Default selection. Click Next. Install recommended proprietary software. Check on Install third-party software for graphic and Wi-Fi hardware. Check on Download and install support for additional media formats. Click Next. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. Click Next. Encryption and file system. No encryption. Click Next. Create your account. Fill user information. Fill username, example, ROHIT. Type password. Type confirm password. Click Next. Select your time location. Click Next. Review your choice. Click Install. Now the Ubuntu installation is started. It will take some time. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. Ubuntu 25.04 is installed and ready to use. Click on Restart now. Go to VMware menu. Click on Stretch. Please remove the installation medium, then press Enter. Now log on as ROHIT user, which I earlier created. Welcome to Ubuntu 25.04. Click Next. Click Next. Click Finish. Now our Ubuntu 25.04 is installed successfully. So viewers, in this video tutorial, you can learn how to install Ubuntu 25.04. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest update.